chicken cooked in a creamy mustard sauce. So for this recipe, you are going to need some chicken, some mustard, and some heavy whipping cream. Now I'm just using boneless and skinless chicken thighs because that is what was available, but you can use any cut of chicken, pork, beef, or even fish to make this recipe. The mustard I'm using is whole grain mustard because that's what I have available at home. You can use any mustard that you have lying around. The first thing I'm going to do is season the chicken with some salt and some black pepper, and I'm going to make sure to season it on both sides. And once again, this is a 3-ingredient recipe, so I'm using just salt and pepper, but you can add other seasonings based on what is available in your pantry. Now to cook the chicken, I'm going to get my pan on the stove and I'm going to heat up some avocado oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, in goes my chicken into the pan. And now you're going to cook the chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side till it is completely cooked through. Now obviously cooking time will vary a bit based on how big the chicken pieces are, but generally 3 minutes to 4 minutes for a boneless thigh is enough. Anyway, once the chicken has cooked on one side, I'm going to flip it over now and let it finish cooking on the other side. And just look at the beautiful color on that chicken, golden brown, and this is going to be so delicious. Anyway, once it's done cooking, I'm going to take that chicken and set it aside, and I'm going to now deglaze the pan with about a tablespoon of water. Then I'm going to add in my mustard and I'm going to give it all a good mix. And you want to make sure you scrape out all the brown bits that are stuck to the bottom of the pan because that is a whole lot of chicken flavor. That's what we call the fond in cooking. So give it all a good mix, make sure you get all those brown bits off, and then ladies and gentlemen, in goes our heavy whipping cream. And yes, you can also use sour cream, you can also use cream cheese, no problem. Anyway, give it all a good mix and make sure you taste your sauce for seasoning. Mine needed a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, so I added that in and it was perfect. And make sure you also pour in the resting juices from the chicken that collect in the plate. Anyway, that's it ladies and gentlemen, you don't need to cook this sauce very long, just a minute more and take it off the heat and it's done. Now to serve myself, I'm going to put a little bit of sauce at the bottom of the plate and be all fancy. Then I'm going to place my chicken on top of that sauce. And make sure you pour over any resting juices that are left in the plate because that stuff is flavor. And then ladies and gentlemen, the final step, the crowning glory. Pour that sauce right over the chicken. Oh yeah! And that's it ladies and gentlemen, your chicken in a creamy mustard sauce is ready. And it looks so good. But as always, I can't let you go without cutting into that chicken and showing you a perfectly cooked cross section. And of course, don't forget to dip that chicken into that sauce and enjoy. Oh yeah! Hey folks, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and as always, you will find a link to the written recipe with macros in the video description box just below this video. And if you enjoyed the recipe, please do smash that like button, subscribe to Headbangers Kitchen for more awesome keto recipes, and hit the bell icon so you get a notification when I upload a new video. Anyway, that's enough jibber jabber. Till the next episode, cheers and keep cooking. Hey folks, click here to watch another keto recipe, or click here and listen to some of my music, or watch some of my non-keto food content right here.